mascot, he can do so. But please, don't push our mascot. Alright, be kind. Alright, music please, and you can sing and dance with our mascot. Alright, we can have the mascot, but please don't push the mascot. Kids, we can take, later on, we can have a photo souvenir with our mascot, but first, let her dance. Alright. Alright guys, don't push. Alright, after this one special number for our Cinnamon Roll mascot, we have a special. Or Anika to perform for everybody. Alright guys, come on. You still have mine? But please kids, don't push our mascot. You can hug the mascot, but don't push the mascot please.